fold this part properly. Next, open it like this and fold it like this. And you get this part, you can see this line. Fold it until it makes this. And you can see it's inside now. Next, flip it and fold it like this. On each side. Now, let's open this and you get this corner. Just flat it like this. Do the same with the other one. It should be like this. Flip it, open these parts, and fold it until it reaches the line. And the same to again. Next, flip it like this. Get these two, cross them like this. Fold them on each side. One is folding on top and one is folding on the other one. You can see this. Just put it in here. Insert it. After inserting it, try to open this one. Set it aside and get another sheet of paper. Fold it like a triangle, like this. The same way that you did for the front one. Unfold it and do it the other direction. Next, fold it like this until it reaches the line. Do the same to the other one. Flip it and fold it like this. You can see a little pocket in here. Unfold it and fold it like this. Do the same to the other side. It should be like this. Flip it and open it like this. Next, insert it to the other one. You can see this hole inside. Just poke these two in the hole. In each hole. And lastly, decorating time! Next, get glue and attach it to the back. And press it down here.